Have you ever wondered how your personality type might influence the way you promote your coaching or healing services? Whether you're an introvert, an extrovert, a creator, or a strategist, understanding your personality type, it can help you market your services in a way that feels authentic and aligned with who you are. Hey there, I'm Donna Gilbert, a semi-retired nomad, endlessly fascinated with what makes people unique. Our personalities, our strengths, our life experiences, they all shape how we show up in our businesses. And I love exploring and sharing how those factors influence your marketing. If you've struggled to attract clients in a way that feels natural, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through how each of the 16 personality types approach marketing their practices. And I'll provide a couple of tips to make the process feel more natural and more fun. So stay tuned to the end because I have a surprise for you. First up, we have the analysts, our visionaries, the problem solvers, and these types thrive on logic, innovation, and strategy. If you're an INTJ, that means you're an architect. You're all about long-term planning and precision. So use your talent for building systems and create a structured marketing funnel that attracts clients on autopilot. And just remember, done is better than perfect, so get it out there. If you're an ENTJ, that means you're a commander. You're a natural leader and you love taking charge. Use your charisma to host webinars, live events, because then you can showcase your expertise and you can really connect with your audience. Just be sure to balance your confidence with empathy to make sure that those connections stick. If you're an INTP, you're a logician. Like a magician, your strength is in sharing innovative ideas and frameworks. So create thought-provoking blogs and videos that will blow your audience's minds. But be sure to simplify your message because you've got so much brilliance that it can overwhelm people. And if you're an ENTP, that means you're a debater. ENTPs thrive on shaking things up and challenging the status quo. So start a podcast or a YouTube channel where you debate coaching methods or tackle industry myths. Just be sure to focus your energy. Consistency is the key. The next category of personality types we have are the diplomats. The diplomats are all about connection and meaning. You bring your heart and your soul to everything you do, which is perfect for marketing. If you're an INFJ, that means you're an advocate. You shine when you share your story. You talk about the transformation that you've experienced or that you've witnessed in your clients. Focus on inspiring others with your vision. But don't forget to take care of yourself. You can't pour from an empty cup. Now, if you're an ENFJ, that means you're the protagonist. Your charisma is your superpower. Use it to create heartfelt videos, host live streams, or even organize community events. But just remember, you don't have to do it all. Focus on what truly lights you up. If you're an INFP, that means you're a mediator and your authenticity is magnetic. So share your values and your mission through personal blogs, through poetry, or artistic content. Your audience will connect with you because of your why. So step into the spotlight. You have so much to offer the world. If you're an ENFP, that means you're a campaigner. So your enthusiasm is contagious. So experiment with creative marketing. Make quirky reels or run a fun challenge. But be careful, don't let shiny new objects distract you. Commit to seeing your project to the end. Our next category of personality types are the Sentinels. You excel at creating structure and reliability. So let's take a look at how you can use this to your advantage. If you're an ISTJ, that means you're a logistician. Logistician? It means you're the ultimate planner. Build trust with your audience by being consistent. And whether it's through a weekly newsletter, social media posts, just keep showing up. But be sure to add a touch of warmth to your message to make sure that you stay relatable. If you're an ESTJ, that means you're the executive and you thrive on organization and leadership. So run workshops or set up structured programs with clear value. Show your audience that you're the expert they've been looking for. If you're an ISFJ, this means you're the defender. Your nurturing nature makes you a natural at creating safe and welcoming spaces. So use this to build private communities or support groups where your clients are going to feel really cared for. If you're an ESFJ, that means you're the consul. Your superpower is building relationships, personal outreach, community involvement. This is going to help you grow your practice. But just remember, just like the INFJs, you can't pour from an empty cup, so be sure to take care of yourself. And the fourth grouping of personality types are the explorers. Explorers bring creativity and adaptability to the table. So here's how you can make your personality shine in your marketing. If you're an ISTP, this means you're the virtuoso. You're problem solvers. So create practical videos or workshops that offer real solutions to your clients' problems, because people will be drawn to you because of your hands-on approach. If you're an ESTP, this means that you're the entrepreneur. Your charm, your confidence, they make you a natural networker. So use social media or live events to connect with people. But stay focused so you don't spread yourself too thin. If you're an ISFP, this means you're the adventurer. Your creativity is your strength. So share visually stunning content like beautiful photos or inspiring videos. Let your art tell the story of the transformation. If you're an ESFP, this means you're the entertainer. You light up any room. So use that energy to create entertaining and engaging content. Skits, behind-the-scenes videos, or even live sessions will help you attract your ideal audience. And there you have it, the 16 personality types and how they can approach promoting their coaching or healing practice. What's your personality type? And oh, I did promise you a surprise, didn't I? This video is the first in a 5-part series where I'm going to dive a little bit deeper into each of the 4 main categories so you can better recognize your strengths and your stumbling blocks when it comes to promoting your practice. I'll be starting with the Analysts in part 2, but if it's not there yet, be sure to subscribe so you'll know when I post it. And if it isn't there yet, YouTube thinks you'll be interested in this video. Check it out.